Hi everyone, this is Dana Wellman, Editor-in-Chief at Engadget. I am here in Cupertino at Apple Park, specifically the Steve Jobs Theater, and I'm here to talk about the newly announced Apple Watch Series 5. Now, unlike last year's model, the Series 4, this really represents a very subtle improvement year over year. If you recall last year's model, that was the one that introduced the electrocardiogram test. That one stepped up to a bigger screen. It introduced newer screen sizes to the lineup. This one is really just a refinement on that formula. So we have the same two screen sizes, 40 and 40 millimeters, same basic layout, of course. So we're going to be honing in on some really minor, not minor, but changes that are not necessarily visible at a passing glance. So one of them is that there is now the option of an always-on display. This is good in a couple different situations. Maybe you're using something where it's just not possible to lift your wrist. Maybe you're doing push-ups or something. Maybe you're in a meeting and you think it would be rude to just lift your arm so obviously. When that's the case, the screen is at a dimmer brightness, but then you can tap it to really awaken it to its full brightness. And as you can see, it is a very bright screen. Also inside is a built-in compass, and this can come in handy for all sorts of use cases. Obviously really rugged use cases like hiking, but also just if you're trying to navigate your way maybe to a restaurant or some other point of interest that you've never been to. And there are a lot of different ways of getting at the compass. There's a compass complication, there is a standalone app, and you can also use it inside other apps like Apple Maps. You'll see a blue light, similar to Google Maps, letting you know what direction you're facing. You can also use it in third-party apps like Yelp. Maybe you found a restaurant and you want to make sure that you're headed in the right direction and not going on some sort of wild goose chase. So that's new also. Last new thing, even though the watch itself is fundamentally the same as the one that came before it, you're going to notice some different finish options. So the one that I'm highlighting here is a new ceramic model. Apple had ceramic finishes a long time ago. It discontinued them and now it's brought them back. As you can see, it's this gorgeous all-white case here. It is very expensive. The ceramic model starts at $12.99. If you don't want to spend that much money, the other options are aluminum at the entry level, then stainless steel, and then titanium. And so those are up for pre-order now. They're going to ship next week, and look for a full review soon on Engadget.com. Thanks so much for watching.